video, we'll learn how to integrate the function x times e to the negative x with respect to x using a technique called integration by parts. Integration by parts is particularly useful when dealing with the product of two functions, as in this case. It's based on the product rule for differentiation. But in reverse, the general formula for integration by parts is the integral of u dv equals u times v minus the integral of v do. Let's write that down. The integral of u dv equals uv minus the integral of v do. Now we need to choose our u and dv from the original integrand, which is xe to the negative x. A good rule of thumb is to use Lie8 as a guideline. Lie8 stands for logarithmic, inverse trigonometric, algebraic trigonometric, and exponential functions. We choose our u based on whichever function type appears first in Lie8. In our case, x is an algebraic function, and e to the minus x is an exponential function. Algebraic comes before exponential in Lie8, so we'll choose x to be our u. That means dv will be everything that's left, which is e to the negative x dx. Let's write those down. Now we need to find do and v. To get do, we differentiate u with respect to x. The derivative of x is 1, so do is just dx. To find v, we integrate dv. The integral of e to the negative x dx is negative e to the negative x. Notice we don't need the plus c here, because it will be accounted for in the final integral. Now that we have all the pieces, u, do, v, and dv, let's substitute them into the integration by parts formula. So we have the integral of x times e to the minus x dx equals x times negative e to the minus x minus the integral of negative e to the minus x dx. We can simplify this a bit. Negative x times e to the minus x minus negative e to the minus x plus c. Let's compute the remaining integral. The integral of negative e to the negative x is e to the negative x. So our equation simplifies to negative x times e to the minus x minus e to the minus x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. And there you have it. We have integrated x times e to the minus x dx using integration by parts